Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to enable and disable the factory alarm system on a 2010 Subaru Legacy. So the first thing you want to do is take your key, put it in the ignition, and turn the car in the on position. That's 1, 2 clicks. Whether you want to turn the alarm system on or off, it's the same process. What you need to do is hold the unlock button down and open the door within 1 second. Continue to hold the unlock button down for 10 seconds. You should then hear the car horn honk. And the ALOF or ALON will show on the dash, stating that the alarm is either turned on or off. I hope this video was informative and helped you out. If you could, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.